We would like to transfer some part changes from one project to a different project. Create and modify your parts. Run the SCADV transfer selected changes to project command and select the parts you wish to transfer in a ShipConstructor drawing. Then select the project you wish to transfer the parts to. Depending on your part selection, you may be prompted to add related parts or spools. Afterwards, you will be shown a brief summary of how many parts will be created, updated, and deleted. As well, you will have the option of seeing more details on what is going to be transferred. You can now start the transfer. Log files of various details are created during the transfer. Now all selected parts have been updated in the destination project.